Time. I see you near where my plasma.
Give me 10 million, your cash or transfer. This one.
What did you?
Do cash or transfer? Let me get out of this place. Thunder fire you for
come.
You dey play with us.
Scam customer.
Galawetsu.
I know understand. You better plan.
Customer, they tell me the last time we check, now person make a big nash night carry. They tell me, I beg go find now. No say no go fit.
You get bad back. You go sit down. You don't get your
I talk am.
customer. What did they say?
Hey, what thing they there?
What did they there? I don't carry that flag. Just go outside. That's what they make. No man, no.
What thing they
Noise makers. Now noise makers. Customer.
No show this one. No mind. No.
I don't say that me last. I think they go later carry. I don't trust myself.
This guy too cheap. I bet.
That's why I go carry. I don't to talk too much. I don't say that me.
You too they cheap. Why they force yourself for man? They shake with. Let it be your own now.
When I rest that, I dey shake myself now. No. My noise maker. No man, na me go later carry.
I bet no carry me again. I bet you in a bad market.
Na me go carry.
You no carry me. I no say you in a bad market. Which kind of bad market be that? Go rest. I bet.
I don't say that me go carry last. I don't need to stress myself.
Last. They don't reject them.
I just listen to you.
Wow.
All these new pickers.
I'm telling you, you do. I let them shake your life for here. How many times they shake this thing like when you do. Come, who will carry you? Make I just carry for here. Why I shake this thing? When they talk to when they say you go come out, you want to feel out.
Hey, see my customer, oh. Customer, see me now. Hey. What is this one? I dey talk about person. This one don't come.
I'm good.
Customer.
Oh my gosh. You like it?
Na BBL 215 naira. Sorry.
That's what it concern you. Must you show yourself?
You show me fun, but this one a new pick out.
Now, well, some people come out for this work because they find boys. Anyway.
Oga shift abeg na pick I be new picker. Last time we come down na big na she carry. Go rest. All this new no follow you go run your shop free. This guy too dey like fine girls, fine boy. Now fine boy you can't do for this street. Which kind of sense be that one?
I can tell am o.
Come fine.
Tell am o.
See,
That's where they not going to fish.
new picker wey no get 1 naira. Osho free.
See, wait, make I tell you something. See you go the one the cost customer. I never said the car. See you live for here. Soon I go soon leave you. I go soon leave you. Which kind of market? See you. God forbid. See you.
All this nonsense.
That's why go do the fight wey carry motor.
I don't sit abeg my 5 person get car abeg.
You be bad luck o. You go do the day the store market for person. Customer. After na.
Abeg if you be old picker, new picker, better respect yourself. Which one say the fan person? What you want to talk about?
Madam, rest make you talk now. Madam, rest make you talk. Madam, go rest o. Don't do that body. Don't expect customer from me. Rest now. No mind now. Na so she dey talk. Children wey talk again now. So you want to talk to you know this one?
This one nothing.
No dey see this thing.
Oh, this one na BBL.
No say too much of garri na dey worry you. I even dey teach because I know say that there is too much of soaking garri na dey affect you for eyes. Sorry John.
Ashawosh. Yes.
I go say anything.
Bros, I feel manage you. See, you dey bounce. What's up again?
Okay, I beg you don't game on. I beg.
Then go, abeg. But
Go. You no game on no show for the. Oh, sorry. Oh, Shabam.
I beg, go rest.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I don't take close. Don't touch my team. I don't touch me. You don't there, but don't touch me. What's kind of shit that one? If I show no favor, you go shop your water. If I show no favor, go show water. Go pay that for Go. See face. Ashawo.
Now bad market they do this thing.
Now you have let me follow you.
Nonsense.
Now you have let me follow you. Now you have let me. End of the day, you go pay tax. You go meet your village for village.
At the edge stage, no for cheap.
That's what you do. What the edge?
Bad market.
I can't say go.
No show cheap. After uncompleted video. Uncompleted. You know
now you do. You know this uncompleted video. You know see uncompleted video.
This solution.
Don't worry. Person carry Benz dey come go pick me.
Benz.
Anyway, I know they follow.
Oh, this I forget say na truck Benz in the all this barrel.
Excuse me.
All this nonsense also they dey.
You go shock you.
Uncompleted video they shame on you.
But wait to. That girl wey dey call. Wetin be name sef?
No be your friend.
No.
You go tell me she this girl call you. Every day you call and hear the car custom. Here you go the day you dey pour every day.
I swear. Na call.
No, you just go find better place. You go this Christmas.
Wait,
this man. Wetin I get wey she no get.
I no just understand.
See breast. I no get breast. I like my breast.
No, you don't sound bad now.
No worry.
You go there where it cost.
You go shock.
Don't worry. I will teach you that the hot lesson. Me, I know how to bring that girl down.
I trust you.
For this I shall work. No, now. When she call here tomorrow, call edge, make her see am. Every day. And if the customer comes, they no see am. They no go carry anybody. Now you go there. But you self, they know they do bone to bone.
No thing they worry you abeg.
They no do bone to bone.
This one you go carry.
They no do bone to bone.
No senior carry. No senior.
Yeah, baby.
See, you said you are going to do it well.
Yes, now.
No time.
Why I can't carry you?
No time.
Oh God, waiting they happen now. Now shower you carry you. You won't throw me like that.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh God, stand up, come up from the bed now. I no understand. Money for hand, back for ground. Why they do like say me
come now? I want
try
to
and become now. I no understand.
Money be the issue.
Oh yes, now.
Confess.
You just carry a shower.
See, I see others, so I see them.
As you see them, you no choose me.
I know say I will treat you fairly. Come now. I will treat you good.
You sure?
Come.
I no play with me. Or they use bottle.
They use bottle kwa. No what for you.
I don't climb bed. Oh yeah. I cash or transfer beg.
See, me. I no get issue of waiting and pay you. I swear money.
Oh God, calm down now. I no understand. I beg. Wait. May you wait first. I beg. Now cash I be transfer. If now transfer I beg. Oh yeah, I receive the alert first. Try they follow me. They talk all those things.
Look at you. If I tell you what I have in mind for you now, you just open everywhere for me.
Oh God, forget that thing. I beg. See, I tell you, I don't they do this game since I did 11 years. So not to say you go whine me with all those your top. I beg, cash or transfer. I beg.
If to say I don't like you, if to say I don't have good intention for you, see the other one way shake, wow. So 3 of them self, they are similar to my spec, but I say no. You are the best among the rest. That is why I choose you. So let's do this.
Oga, calm down first. I beg. Wetin I dey collect no much. You dey stress me. See, I don't live better customers, so I can't say make I follow you.
A good pass.
Wetin I dey collect no much. Why you wan stress me now?
How much go you dey even?
I beg na 135.
135.
135k. I beg. Oh yeah. Transfer.
Now you make you do face like this. 135k. Look at you. Small money.
You were just. Oga, wait now. I don't like when you carry me like this. That's why you go use play now. You can't put me in this style. Just can't do it. I beg. Give me money. I come out.
You will be 135k.
Now 135k. Now why you can't they stress me?
Now what you dey collect that?
Yes now.
Oh yeah. We will do opening prayer first. Then
Oga, I beg.
Do opening prayer
Oga, I don't like all those kinds where you do.
Opening prayer.
I go change that for you. Which kind of nonsense be this one now? You carry me make I come feel comfortable for you. Abi I tell you how they find comfort.
You don't like my AC.
Which nonsense is?
You don't like my
Oga be a
AC.
shower. No come here come find comfort abeg.
You don't like my AC. Look at you.
Oga, why you dey do like this now? Bring money, ma I give you something now. Eh? Oga, bring money now. Ma knock you. I go do you well.
How much will you even talk?
I say 135 now. 135.
Okay.
Yes, now
Like
135.
how many, you know, I don't know, from like this if we start a relationship, if I pay you that 135, I'm telling you.
I know they do relationship. I be a shower.
No, what I mean, if I give you a whole of 135k, let me say you will come the service with maybe that money.
Oga, abeg talk how much you get today. I know you dey disturb my mental health. Talk how much you get.
See, you know, every man, every intelligent man, or every caring man, has policy. What I'm saying is this: as a fine like this, I don't want cheating. I swear to God, I don't want cheating. So man, I just give you like 15.5.
You get Chris? No. Now talk you talk more from mouth like this. Hello.
I said I give you 15.5.
Hey, Agnes, tell me, oh, Chizzy, tell me. Say you be useless person. Eh? Say you be useless person. I know yeah, oh. Which nonsense with this one now?
You want to say market for me?
You which nonsense talk to dey follow me talk? How you go carry me? Rush, you carry me come on from where better customer, GLK, GY, all those better motor. For come carry me.
Okay, motor bag. Okay, man, make am 20k bag.
I beg dress. You take worry you. You take worry for it. Which one be 20k? You dey insult me. Bro, so you dey reduce my teeth now. Oh. You know the seafood wey you carry. You know the seafood. You know the seafood. What dey worry you now?
All this thing wey you do, you never reach 100k now. You know the seafood. You know the where the food dey.
I no understand.
Nah, just knack it one day.
Oga, no make me vex.
How much you want?
No make me vex.
Okay, sorry. How much you want?
I go only do 130. 130. 130. I remove 5k for you. I beg leave me. Forget saying I shower. I resemble your girlfriend for you. You don't understand I shower you carry enter this place.
I beg. Price where they talk. You no go work so. Where they go?
They go.
Me wey be street guy na. I see sometimes na late hour I dey even go use go carry thing. Late hour I dey carry 1.5.
Bros, you don't see me.
So they go abeg.
Bros,
for wasting my time. Thank you.
You say make I dey go
just comot.
No wahala.
For collect money for my AC wey come collect.
Bros, you don't see mumu. Bros, na me dey say you don't see mumu. Abeg, I no see as I dey so. I like peace. Because if I start my display here, you see this room, you know, will contain us, and I'll start with this of plasma. And Masha people, I go call them. Masha vibes, I go call them. As it be now, just give me 30k.
Near where my plasma.
Give me 30k, make a 10 bike. Oh yeah, cash or transfer. This man.
What did they go do?
What you just said they follow you, they play.
What did they go do? Come, I get money for this side. Come on, leave my plasma.
Oga, do cash or transfer. I might get out of this place.
Cash.
Thunder fire you for this.
Come.
You dey play with Asha. You say you dey play with.
But you know hash like this when I meet you for hash.
They play, just they play. I call your useless room come find comfort now.
Come now, babe, come.
Oga, do transfer or cash. I go smash up.
No.
Oh yeah, make transfer for me or give me cash.
I will give you cash.